Hi, my name is Hamza Abdallah Luqman. Yesterday, my school assigned for me this program that we were doing about personal finance. It's called the KFI Global program, and I really enjoyed it as we learned about credit cards and how to manage our debt and everything. And thank you, Emirates NBD, for sponsoring this.
My name is Abdullah Mana, and I really enjoyed the KFI Global program because I now am more confident in managing my money and spending it. And I got to learn about debt, the good sides about it, and the bad sides, and credit cards, of course. And yeah, it was a very nice program.
Hello, my name is Ahmed Majid, and I'm a student of Dubai National School Al Barsha. These 2 days were a very wonderful experience as I learned so many stuff about credit cards and personal finance that I've probably never will understand later on, as in a young age it's better for everyone to understand, and I advise everyone to join this amazing program. Thank you, KFI Global Program.
My name is Hussein Ghanaim and I'm from Dubai National School, Al Barsha. I very much recommend the KFI Global Program for anyone who wants to learn more about finances, and I really enjoyed it because it really taught me how to use my money in the future. Thank you for Emirates NBD for sponsoring this program.
Hi, my name is Abdullah Yunus, and I pretty much recommend this global KFI program because it helps students with money and credit card in the future. And thank you, Emirates NBD.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Yusuf Omar. I'm a student of the National School at Barsha. I really enjoyed the KFI Global program because I learned a lot of beneficial information, and I recommend it because now after the program, I feel more confident with my money and how to spend my money, and I know how to not get myself in debt.